Alright, what I'm going to be testing out today is Lansky Sharpener's Super C Clamp Controlled Angle System Accessory. Outdoor kitchen shop for use with Lansky Controlled Angle Sharpening Systems. Mounts vertically or horizontally. The box says, perfect your sharpening capabilities with the newly improved and versatile Super C Clamp mounting system. Lansky exclusive features allow convenient and accurate sharpening of multiple knives and larger size blades. It's compact, lightweight aluminum and stores easily. Alright, this is the knife I want to sharpen today. It's a kitchen knife. We use it a lot. It says cooking pleasures. I'm just going to cut up a couple of these little items. Let's see here. It's not like super dull, but it's not like super sharp. I just want to see if, after I sharpen it, if I can tell a difference. Now let me do a little here on the onion. And the cuts. Okay, now I'm going to set up the Super C Clamp. This is on a board on a table with wheels, so it's a little bit wobbly, but I'm going to fix that here in a second. Get the C Clamp set up. And I'll put the clamp on top of here. Okay, I want to test the sharpness. The lower the number, the better. So let's see what kind of number we get. It is a 636. All right, let's sharpen this thing up and see if we can get a better number. All right, my first impression on the Super C Clamp is I like it. It was easy to set up. It feels solid. And you can take it anywhere, really. Now I'm going to do a 20-degree angle on this knife. And I'm going to count my strokes here and do the same on both sides. But yeah, it still feels solid here as I'm sharpening the blade. I give this thing an A+. Could just throw it in my bag and take it with me where I go. Put it on the desk at work, sharpen your knife. Now, I'm going to speed this video up because I'm going to be using all the hones here. So, just for time's sake, we'll speed it up for you. Okay, went through all the hones. Let's see what kind of sharpness number we get now. It was 636 before. Now we are reading 317. Nice. Now that's a good number. Let's check it out in the kitchen. All right, I washed it up, drying it off a little bit. Oh man, feels like I'm cutting butter, like a butter squash. Let's try this onion here. Oh man. Super C clamp gets a super A+. All right, closing time here, and for my next video, I'm gonna test out Lansky's The Puck. Thanks for watching my videos.